Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain, giving you a closer look at the Pro Series seat cover from Rocky Mountain ATV MC. So if you were to ask me what is one of my personal favorite aftermarket parts for any bike or ATV, whether it's brand new or used, I'm going to tell you it's an aftermarket seat cover. The reason being is that aftermarket seat covers, I think they offer a whole lot more grip and traction for the rider than a lot of your even brand new stock seat covers, especially if yours is old and worn out. Also, I just think they look really good on a bike or ATV as well. So if that's what you're after, then one of the best seat covers that is out there at a great price point is this Pro Series seat cover coming from Rocky Mountain. So this is made from a nice grippy material, so again, it offers excellent grip for the rider when you're sitting down. Also, you can see it's double stitched, so reinforcement is going to add great durability, and also it has a good amount of stretch to it. So when it comes to installing it, it's going to make it much easier to do. If you've never installed a seat cover, well, do not worry. We have a great how-to video. We show you step-by-step how to do it. So once you get your seat cover, watch that video, you are going to be good to go. Now you're going to notice on the top, you've got the traction ribs. This is one of my favorite features about this seat cover. This is a feature that you see on a lot of the top-end, high-level pro riders. And the reason I like it so much, it really does add a lot more grip when you're sitting down. So when you're hard on the gas, you're accelerating, that's just going to add some added traction. And you'd be very surprised when you ride a slippery seat cover and then you go to an aftermarket, it is a very big difference. You've also got the RM logo here on the back as well as in the front. You got the Rocky Mountain ATV MC logo. Again, just really cool seat cover. You got the black and the white look. So if you're looking to add some good looks to your bike or ATV and you want to add some added grip, then this is the route to take. If you guys have any other questions or comments, leave those below. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick up your seat cover, it's pretty simple. You can just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, orders over $75 ship free, and these are bike and ATV specific, so make sure when you're picking yours up, enter the make, the model, and the year to ensure that when you get your seat cover, it's going to fit correctly. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. See you on the trails.